To here. Today we're going to be working on this ice chipper. This is what we use to make snow for movies and churches, TV commercials, all kinds of stuff. And she's broke. I don't think I'm getting the whole story here because it was running and then it quit and it wouldn't start. Now they said they send something through there with the throttle closed, which is a no-no, but I think something went through there because when you hit the starter, nothing happens. Yeah, I took the starter out. You can spin the flywheel, the front of the crank and the machine do not turn over. So we're going to pull the motor out, pull that weirdo bell housing off of there, and take a look inside. This is a Perkins 4-cylinder diesel. Nice little engine. Actually came as a nice little power unit. Well, let's get inside, take a look. Today we're going to use one of my favorite impacts. You know I love Astro. This little Onyx does a fantastic job. And we're going to do something odd that I don't normally do. We're going to put a chrome socket on it because we don't have a lot of room in there, but we'll make it work. Unfortunately, my nanos are at the new job, or I'd be using those right in there. We're going to get that coupling off, and it's just going to be 4 bolts, and this whole power unit's going to come off. Give me just a second, guys. So we got our coupling out, and it is a strange one. I always thought these were kind of weird. It's almost like an airplane tire. I've actually got some of these that say Goodyear on them. And clamp in there. They clamp onto the shaft. Taper lock. Now, I like the flat style a little better. It just has the hex bolts that go into what you call the bushing. That's the center portion, but the style works just fine. I wish when I'd have mounted the engine I'd have got it a little closer, but I was anticipating possibly having to pull something apart here, or at least slip the couplings in and out. So that's kind of how it ended up, and the coupling hasn't given us any trouble. So far I'm thinking the trouble is in here. Now, let's see what it is, because right now when I spin that flywheel, the front of the crank does not turn. Pretty sure those bolts are sheared. Let's get in there.